Hey guys, welcome back. We're here to finish up these Chevy heads. I'm buzzing up the seats. I'm gonna throw them in the surfacer and put these things together and get them ready for the customer. Hey, I'm grinding the 45 right now. You wanna always make sure to dress your stones and make sure that stone's nice and sharp. It makes the seat come out a lot better. After finishing grinding the 45s, I'm cleaning off the seats and spraying a little graphite glue to see the other angles a little better. The next angle we're going to be doing is the 30, the top angle. Let's get to buzzing. Alright guys, we're doing the 60-degree angle now, which is the bottom angle. It's going to help us narrow up the 45. So here's the valve. I put a little lapping compound on the seat, and this is it transferred onto the face of the valve, right where we want it. Hey, I got them in the surfacer now. I ended up having to take 8.5 thousandths off these cylinder heads to make them flat again. Now I'm checking the stem height on the cylinder head. Right at 2 inch, right where we're looking for. 980, 980, hair under 2 inch, 90, 80, 80, hair under 2 inch. That's right in the range we're looking for. Put some oil on these things, put some seals on them, and get these things together. Now I'm putting a little assembly lube on the valves to make sure everything moves nice and smooth. Now I'm putting some exhaust shims on to make the spring pressure right where I want it. After that, I'm putting some positive Viton valve stem seals, a big upgrade from the factory. Hey, I forgot to mention, we put a set of brand new valves in these cylinder heads. I wanted new valve springs also, but the customer didn't want to go for it, so I checked them all. They're all in spec, but it's not what I recommend. It'll work, but like I said, I don't like using used springs. Alright, let's get these things together. When putting these springs on these Chevy heads, you have to put a little O-ring and then 2 valve locks to put these things together. One down, one to go. After every job, I always check the vacuum of every single valve. Just double check. Like I said, I just do this to triple check everything and make sure everything's nice and perfect for the customer. Got them all done. Brand new valves, hardened seats, positive valve stem seals, ready to go for the customer.